Okay, and here we are. Let's start. So I'm selecting the source image. I'm clicking a draw option. I'm clicking large. Let's remove old information and let's draw again. I'm selecting a pen, color, it will be red, and I'm painting the region. I think it's a good family photo in front of their house. I'll paste a standard prompt here. So let's firstly come back to smaller icons. Just click enlarge. Now we will simply paste the prompt, insert people from the second reference image with a drawn mask area of the main image. Drawn After Effect light, expose, color, temperature, sky geometry, materials, textures, or composition outside the mask area. Don't draw a marked area. It's important because time to time NanoBanana is also putting this red circle on your final image. So it's the problem when you try to make more advanced discussions with AI and you put not only prompting but also information where and what stuff you want to put. So yeah, it's needed detail. Don't change a people pose. We can remove it for now and let's see how it will go. Let's hit make and let's see the results. Sorry, my fault. We should delete it because I have not connected my family. Let's connect it. Simply just selecting source, selecting image editor NanoBanana Pro, 2K original, and let's connect our family here. The same prompt as I was mentioning you 1 second before, hitting make. And as you see, 2 nodes are connected correctly. Now we can do the same, but let's add information about changing the poses. So I'm connecting this prompt with this image. Simply connect them. Now I'll add information that I don't want any poses should be changed. Don't change pose of family. And let's see how it will understand me. So now we are waiting for 2 images. We can simply copy this prompt by Ctrl+C, and we can do the same for our autumn. I think this one is the most beautiful. So I'm clicking the left mouse button. I'm pasting my prompt here, Ctrl+V, insert people from the second reference image, masked area, and we'll need to select a draw here. Delete our old information. Maybe family will stand a little bit on the left side, somewhere here. Don't change pose of a family, and we will need to connect our changed autumn family. So I'm simply connecting them here and hitting make. I'm also strongly recommend you to make a few tries because the more information you're giving to your AI, it's more difficult for him. So we will try again and give a few tries. Insert people, the same prompt, really the same prompt, the same reference family, hit make. And we can do even the third try, for example, not changing anything, and let's see the results. So I'm selecting my autumn, I'm pasting Ctrl+V with my prompt, the same prompt, and I'm connecting my family again here. And let's hit make and let's wait for the result a little bit. While we are waiting, let's check the images. So what do we have here? We have here our family, and we can compare the source file. So compare A to compare B, and let's see the results. I'm hitting enlarge. So what do we have here? We have a family. They are pasted exactly the same place I was expecting. They are relighted, they have shadows, so everything looks perfectly. This is a good case, really good case. Time to time you'll have some issues, but no worries, just play around with your marked area, color, or you just try to prompt a little bit different, but generally it's working good. So the percent of success rate is quite high. I think it's 75, 76% for me now, for our team. Let's check the second image, what we were testing here. I'm clicking enlarge. Yeah, here you have an issue that they are a little bit stretched. Yeah, they are like, they are not the same as original one. So this is the AI mistake. So I'll put this mistake somewhere here and we'll discuss it later. And let's check here. Yeah, here we have the same. As you see, here's family standing quite strange. Like they have not correct proportions. Like they have bad proportions now. Let's check here. And here on the second one, we have the same prompt, the same procedure, and this one is exactly perfect. Like everything's perfect here. All proportions of the family are correct. So please give a try, and please remember that AI is like a small children. So Not always you'll have the perfect result because it's learning and it's too innovative, but it's very important to test. So I can show you the difference between this and this, exactly the same prompt, exactly the same family. Compare this image and compare third one, compare A to B and large, and you will see the difference. Yeah, like this family, they are a little bit stretched from left to right, and this is a much more better option, but positioning, light and everything is perfect. So generally that's all for today's tutorial. Hope you like it. Please try it as many as you can, test it, and see you in next tutorial. Bye.